Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java class number 4. In this class, I will going to show you Java output print. How to print text or number or anything. Let's go. So first you see this is print text. Okay, how to print text. I will show in this video. And this is a print number. And the next is the very important print number, addition, subtraction, multiple, division, everything I will going to show you in this video. That's why I highly recommend it to you this video. Keep watching first to last. You don't skip the video. Okay, now let's move on. So here I first take a new project first, and then you should select this Java application, and then the next, and you need to give a project name, output. Okay, by default is stay, then finish. Yeah, I got a new project, and you see my left side is here project. Okay, so these projects are previous videos. So this is my new project. This is output, and this source for package, and then you see this is a package. Okay, package under you see this is a class. So you know that every project we are doing with a class. Okay, so now I delete this comment. No need that. No need this thing. Okay, and you see this is a package, and next is a public class. Okay, this is my output. Because you know this tutorial related I given the name. Now I delete this. Okay, system. You need to know that this word always should be a capital letter first word. Okay, print ln first bracket, I mean parenthesis, and the semicolon. Okay, and now I take a double quotation. In under I type here Unicoder Academy. I need to copy this line. You can do also with me. Just you hold your key, the Control and Shift, press down arrow. Okay, and now I give here some. Now let's check out this project. It's run or not, or is okay. That is great. Build successful. Now I remove the quotation of this number. It should be still work. Now let's check it. Here you see no change at all. This project is still working right now. We are take a next line. Just copy this line, and if you want to subtract, multiple, division or addition, everything you can do it. Now let's see. 10 plus 20. Now run it. Look, 10 plus 20 add a 30. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do addition, subtraction, multiple, division, everything you can do it from here. Okay, now let's take a few line. Just I want to copy that, and I type here just 10 plus 20. Okay, I need to copy one more time. Here just minus 20. I need to copy one more time. Here multiple 10. I need to copy one more time. Here I division 20. Okay, now let's check this program actually it's work or not. Okay, you see built successful. Let's compare to the two. Okay, so first you see this is 30. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. That's true. And minus 10 and minus 20, yes, it's equal to minus 10. Okay, that's it. Is all program is true. You see how easily I solve a mathematical problem. It's just a little bit problem. Okay, and when I build a project and when I'm going to advance, then you can do many things by this Java program. Java program is very interesting language. If you want to learn it so easily, you have to do very quickly everything. Okay, and your future life is going bright. So this video is enough for today. Have a good day. See you the next video with another topics.